Alright, I'll fill this. We shouldn't need it though. Doesn't matter. It's all good. We'll be sweet. Okay, alright. Time to break out the jerry can, I think. Alrighty guys, I can't risk it any longer. The fuel's getting a little bit too low. I've had to pull over here on the side of the track. We're going to have to refuel using the old-fashioned jerry can. So, to do it, we're going to try a new product that I got sent to me from Newts from Scrunnel Funnel. And funnily enough, that's the name of it, Scrunnel Funnel, Screw-on Funnel. Now this is a brand new product made here in Australia, in Queensland actually, designed and made, manufactured, posted, you name it, it's done it here in Australia. And it looks like a great little unit. I've gone for the yellow. There is a red as well. I've gone for yellow because I'm a bit old-fashioned like that. Yellow means diesel in my world and what I've been brought up with. And what we're going to do is I'm going to give you guys a quick look at how it works and how it performs. Now it's made of solid plastic. This thing can hold up to 30 kilos when it's inside your fuel cap nozzle there, which is absolutely fantastic. So you can lean the jerry can on it a little bit to support you. I wouldn't lean a full 20 litre full jerry can on it. You're going to want to have to hold it a little bit, but you can lean something smaller, like this smaller jerry can, on it just to help you prop it up and all that sort of thing. So here in the Ranger, we've got the screw-on style fuel cap in here. I'll just give you a quick look at that. Obviously, you just unscrew it. So a fuel car is similar to this with the screw-on style. These Scrunnel funnels are perfect for you. Now Newts is making the old twist lock style version coming very, very soon if it's not out already. And by the time you see this video. Right, let's get into it. Let's fuel up the Ranger. So what you want to do is screw in the Scrunnel funnel into your screw cap. Now don't over tighten it. So you can see there, I'm sort of off centered here. Going to come back one and then tighten it with the locking key in here. So that will now tighten the Scrunnel funnel and it's not going anywhere. When pouring in from your jerry can, there's a couple of options you can do. First thing I like to do is I like to take the actual cap right off, including a little O-ring, just to stop it from flailing around and carrying on when you're trying to pour it in. Just makes it a little bit easier. You can go the traditional pour forward or the pour sideways. I'm going to go the pour sideways option here and we'll check it out and see how it goes. So we'll get our fuel can up nice and high and in we go. As you can see, nice flow rate. It's not gurgling and spluttering everywhere. It's essentially just the open tube with the plastic mold straight down into your fuel tank. Now guys, the Scrunnel funnel is perfect for other vehicles such as excavators, tractors, all that kind of thing. Anything with a screw-on fuel cap system, this Scrunnel funnel will work with. It's absolutely fantastic. So as you can see there, reducing spillage. I didn't get any diesel anywhere, absolutely perfect. Nice and easy, you can rest it on there just a little bit. The Scrunnel funnel isn't going to go anywhere. I mean, that's still rock solid. I'm sure you've seen other kinds of funnels where it's flailing around and falling down and carrying on. You're having an absolute nightmare and diesels everywhere. As you can see, perfect for the smaller jerry can. I have also used the larger 20 litre jerry can. As you can see, no dramas there at all either. I haven't spilled a drop here today, refilling here in the Ranger on the side of the road. Absolutely perfect. Now at the time of filming this, guys, early January 2022, 35 bucks. Not bad for something here, made in Australia, designed in Australia. We all know how much things cost to make in Australia these days, guys. 35 bucks, I think that's a darn good investment. Now there we go, guys, we're all topped up. Enough to get us to the next servo and get us out of trouble, get back on the tracks and hit the road again. Scrunnel Funnel, check it out guys, 35 bucks, not affiliated in any way or anything like that, but give them a look in, might be a good option for you. Plenty more of these reviews coming your way guys, so make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you all on the next one. Cheers! And with the help of the Scrunnel Funnel, we're back on the road, and the road trip continues.